So here we are, guys. We've hacked a bunch of stuff off this. We stripped her right down. She's pretty well naked here. Now I had shot a video halfway and somehow I erased it. Stupid me. But anyway. So I have there's these heavy running boards on both sides that cut those off. They're quite heavy. I'm gonna swap those out for aluminum. Both sides. Got this fancy little stainless steel fuel tank that I made years and years ago. It's all dirty now, but it looks kind of cool. It's heavy. It's like 12 pounds. I'm going to swap that out for a plastic one. This thing looks cool, and I thought, well, you know, you can't really see it. Why was I doing that? Just to show off my welding ability. We're going to get rid of that. I'm going to swap it out for plastic. Here on the front, I did some cutting. There was a whole heavy framework here that used to hold the original wheel horse cast axle that was in it. And when I switched out to a solid axle, I never ever cut that stuff off. I kind of regretted it. I should have done it at the time, but I never did. I was in a hurry, I guess. Anyways, I hacked all that out. So that'll save us a few pounds there. Also right here, I cut a bunch of stuff out where the steering mechanism mounts to. I cut out about as much as I can. You still need that to be relatively sturdy, so I don't think I can cut a whole lot more out of that, but I've gotten rid of a lot of that extra framework that was in there that really wasn't doing anything. So that's gone now. I've also taken off this heavy back plate. Mounts back here. It's quite heavy, it's made of steel. I'm going to swap that out for a piece of aluminum also. And make some aluminum wheelie bars for it. That'll save us quite a bit of weight as well. What I discovered over the years was that in certain areas where you think you need to be super duper heavy duty, you don't. My mind sort of works in, you know, when you're fabricating something to build it as heavy as possible, and in some cases that's a good idea, but in this case it's really not necessary. So I kind of learned that fairly early on when I built stuff a little too heavy. So we're going to swap that out for a piece of aluminum. So I'm going to carry on here and grind up, clean up these areas where I flame cut all these pieces off, and start getting it ready for paint. Really stripped down, and we're looking at that. I think I may or may not have mentioned, I think I'm gonna make a new chassis for this. Well, all the things I got to cut off of it, and sort of hard to see here, but it's starting to sag a little bit. I put quite a bit of weight on this when I run it in the heavier class. It's almost 1,700 pounds, so with all the things I got to hack off and cut and change and whatnot, I think I'd be further ahead and just start over. I've got my measurements. I know where I want my motor and my axle and whatnot, so I can copy that as I build the new chassis. So I'm going to start that at the same time, hopefully, as I'm picking away at the other job. So that's where we're at right now, guys. But don't forget, coming up, I got part 2. I'm calling it part 2, best of 2023. There were so many great pulls this year that I couldn't just limit it to one video. I missed so many that I wanted to add, so I'm working on a part 2 right now. That's coming up. Alright guys, talk to you soon.